Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and in this lecture we are going to see about the run statement and run script. So let's take an example. Let's first create a table. Create table my test table, and in this table we are creating only a single column, which is my field of data type numeric. Okay, so numeric is a more simpler form of decimal. We will see about data types in later videos. So let's just create the table. We'll run statement. The table my test table is created. Now we can insert a value in the table. Insert into my test table values 1. So we can run this query, and as you can see the one row is inserted. We can check this by select star from my test table. So unknown command, okay, sorry, select star from my test table. So the one is showing here. Now let's just drop table, which is my test table, and the my test table is dropped. So this is a procedure of we will create a table, inside it inserted a value, check the value, and then at last we just drop the table. Let's run all the statements all together. So as you can see the here one row is inserted, query run ho gaya, or and table dropped, but in the query result the error is table or view does not exist. So why this error arrived? Because there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 statements in total. So the 4 threads of a computer works on each statement separately. Now it depends if this statement got executed first, then what if the table is not created, this thread is not faster, but this thread is faster, then you can see the my test table is not created yet. Then what would be dropped? If the table is not created yet, then which table should the query drop? That's why error arise. And for to resolve this error, we will run it as a script. As you can see the run script is F5, so we will just run it as a script, and you can see here the statements executed as they are written. So the table first created, then the value inserted, then the select statement, and at last the table dropped. There is one statement which is commit. So in Oracle SQL, when we write a query and when we run a query, the query got queued up. They not actually committed on the database, but they just queued up. And when we run the statement commit, they actually got committed on the database. So if we run the commit completed. Now the all the queries is executed on the database. So now we can write the drop statement at first, and now let's run this as a script. So here we can see we got an error that the table or view does not exist, because we haven't created the table yet. So we cannot drop table before the table is created.